I think now, even when you enter also, you can really feel that something which from the look of the district library, and there is more. We are also at the same time starting the digital library, which is very much the need of the hour, because we are living in this very competitive time. It is very much needed that we should be staying updated with what is happening around the world. So I will urge you students. No doubt from our end we have tried our level best, and for this I would really like to place my sincere thanks to our Honorable Deputy Commissioner of our district. I hope you have seen it yourself. After he became our DC of the district, there have been a lot of programs, a lot of initiatives, youth related, and also the efforts how we can really bring that reading culture in our district. And this is not the only thing. There are much more to come. We already planned with our DC that from now onward we should have continuously this kind of program, competition. And I'll urge our Deputy Commissioner also that we should come up with the kind of program, a competition, like kind of innovation competition, where students can come up with new innovation, where we can help or bring change in the society. So I think I'll leave it to your wisdom that if you could have this kind of program also, I think it will be very beneficial.
Which has been organized for the first time in the district. Second, a digital learning center which has come up for facilitating the education in the digital realms. Third is a mural painting which encompasses the tradition, art and culture of this district. What the previous speaker has just mentioned about how we came to this idea or how the genesis of this very idea has come up. There's also one more round of discussions which I had with Minister Sir, wherein his focus was with regard to youth, that how the learning culture in our district could be improved, how this district library could be a center for the learning, how the learning which has gone up with the incoming of the digital age, so thereby striking a balance that yes, by going through the book fair, it goes with the physical hard copies of the book, and along with the digital learning center, we are yet promoting the digital means. So with this, I would like to all use the maximum of the potential of this district library, and I wish everyone all the best and thank you all. Acha. Interesting, yeah? The British Raj, Indian independence, Assam, which restriction, struggle for statehood, the birth of Meghalaya. Nice. Okay, it's simple. Good day.
I think you've seen this book by
Banyo iki kubon baman kesni, subscribe ke channel ulong yelang news. Kumle shibu.